Have you heard about ChatGPT but don't know how to use it? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. You can use it to write, research, brainstorm, learn new skills, and even create content. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7. To get started, go to chat.openai.com. You'll need to sign up for a free account using your email or Google login. Once logged in, you'll see a chat interface, just like texting a friend. Now type your question in the chat box. For example, write a YouTube video idea about AI tools. Press enter, and ChatGPT will generate a smart response in seconds. Here are a few smart ways to use ChatGPT. Summarize long articles. Generate blog post ideas. Write code or fix errors. Learn new topics step by step. You can also ask ChatGPT to rewrite text, give feedback, or explain complex ideas in simple terms. ChatGPT also offers a paid version called ChatGPT Plus. It gives you access to GPT-4, which is faster, smarter, and more accurate. It's $20 a month, but the free version is great for most users. Here are 3 tips to get better answers from ChatGPT. Be specific. Say exactly what you want. Give examples. It helps guide the AI. Use follow-up questions to improve the answer. That's how to get started with ChatGPT in 2025. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and leave a comment with any questions. See you in the next video. Discover advanced features of ChatGPT to boost your productivity. Draft emails, integrate with tools, and generate creative content. Experiment with these features to enhance your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy chatting with ChatGPT. Welcome back. ChatGPT is revolutionizing workflows across various fields. From marketing to software development, it enhances productivity. Try it out and see the difference in your professional life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips for ChatGPT. Check your internet connection if it's slow. Rephrase questions for better responses. Follow these tips to get the most out of ChatGPT.